What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another video. First and foremost, let me say, I know it's been almost a week since I posted. Your girl had some type of bug. I don't know what it was, but you know, we got to shake it off. It's shaking off. I'm feeling a little better, just a little weak. But I am doing another collaboration with the wonderful company Rose Forever out of New York, you guys. Their link is always going to be in my bios. In my description. Okay, you guys? So let's see. This time, you all, I let them pick it instead of the red roses you guys seen and the blue ones. And oh my goodness, it's been a year later, and my first collab with them, open the box, still smell like roses. Okay, I just love this company. They're amazing. If you guys need something for your cash stuffing setup, or just, you know, for a gift for someone else, please check them out. All of their contact information will be in my description box below. So let's get into this. Let's open it up and see what beautiful gift. I let them pick this time, so I have no idea what they decided to give me. I appreciate this company for even thinking about your girl. As far as a collaboration, I just love their products though. It's upside down. So let me see. Oh wait, y'all. It's upside down. I didn't even pay any attention to that. Oh my goodness, it's not roses. Oh, they sell candles? Oh wow, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Let me move this box. Yes, honey. Let me smell it. Oh goodness, y'all. It smells amazing. They sticker Rose Forever. Oh wow, you guys. It's a 4-wick amazing candle. Oh wow, we have to set this up. Let me move this stuff. Let me get something going. Let me move this plant. Let me set my candle right here. Move this money tray, baby. You got a lighter?
Yeah, give me a sec.
I'm going to light that candle for us too, y'all. Oh, wow. Look at that. It goes perfect with my new setup. Okay, y'all. I organized everything else because this plant got to stay too. My husband bought me that plant. So let's see. Bam. Okay, y'all. We're going to light it as soon as Willie will. Move this candle I had. Oh, I did not even know they sold candles. So exciting. Okay, you guys, let's get into this video. I think the cash is in here. We have people coming to fix some stuff around the house. So, and oh, moving forward, you guys, I'll try to put videos out as often as I can because your girl is on a grind. So definitely I'll be putting out 2 or 3 videos a week, at least 2, okay? But I don't know if I'm going to be putting out videos every day anymore, you know, because I'm going to be very, very busy, okay? So you will see at least 2 videos coming out. You know, I realize that, you know, the more videos you put out, the more money you make, but it's going to have to be a different setup for me. I'll do the best I can. Oh, goodness. Y'all, this candle smells amazing. Check that out. Thank you, Will. Okay. Yes. Oh, that's the biggest candle I ever seen. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got. So today we got 50, 100, 105, 110, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I think it's, so 139 today. Yes, y'all. I'm taping back. Yes. So I will be working harder than ever. I have some things I'm trying to accomplish. So we'll see how many videos, because I know I'm trying to do my DoorDash a little different. I'm trying to hold my money until the end of the week like a regular paycheck. So we'll see. At least for this week, it only will be 1 or 2 videos. I don't know how or what type of method I'll be using moving forward. But, you know, it is what it is. Okay, first and foremost, we're going to our high priority binder. As always, and we're going to be putting $100 on that rent. 50, 100. Oops. Can you cut that down, babe? I don't want them to hear it on the video, honey, so I can get copyrighted. Okay, electric will be getting $5. Now electric has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Household, we just did some household shopping, so I'm gonna come back to that. Car maintenance will be getting 10. We're gonna do this savings challenge over again, y'all. So this time I'm just gonna put an X. So I wanna complete this. I have my Planet Fitness membership coming up, and this is, I want to give them $10, and this completes my membership for this month. I haven't been in a minute, but I got to get back on track, and that is, you know, and that's possible now. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. So I will be taking some money out of here on the 15th to put back in the bank. It's only gonna be like 20. Daquan will be getting $5. So now Daquan has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I am going to stop right here in this binder. And let's see what's left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I knew it was $5 in there, y'all. And we still have that December challenge. We never even started. But we're going to complete this before December is out, God willing. And if not, we'll take it over to January. So this is $10 we will be putting in here. And I can't wait to start this envelope over next month. We already have our January, our whole yearly challenges ready, y'all. I missed y'all so much. And shout out to my girl Terry and Kim. Thank y'all for checking on y'all, girl. I really appreciate y'all. I have to run now, you guys. I'll be back. I'll be going live one day soon. You know, even I'm gonna try to mix it up. I'm still trying to get my life in order, y'all. So please hang in there with your girl.
Good luck.
So please hang in there with your girl, okay? So shout out to y'all for being the greatest. Shout out to Rose Forever. So thank you guys for watching another cash stuffing video. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before you leave. Bye.
Bye.